Hey guys, so in today's video, I'm going to show you guys how Walmart gives me free money from time to time just because they miss me. Basically, all you gotta do is sign up to their email newsletter, but I'm going to show you guys how I do it. I am from Vancouver, British Columbia, Canada, so it may be only applicable to Canadians, but I'll show you guys what I do and hopefully it can help you guys out too. All right, let's get into it. Hey, good afternoon everybody. So in today's video, I just wanted to show you guys how you can save some money or get some free money and go to Walmart and get a bunch of free stuff. So every now and then, Walmart emails me. They basically tell me that they miss me and they give me money. So spend $75 before taxes and fees and you can get $15 off. You can do this for your for 2 orders. So it's a total of $30 in free groceries. I've done this about 4 or 5 times, and all I had to do was sign in to walmart.ca, create an account, and let them email me. So as you can see here, there's a little code. Copy that code. Open up the Walmart app. So there it is, walmart.ca. Clicking on the bottom right hamburger, the more, what's it called? More sign, more logo, more icon. Go to my account, and then where it says redeem promo code, enter the promo code. So I'm just going to paste it there. Paste, redeem promo code. It says, sorry, your promo code wasn't recognized. Please review and try again. Now, that's possibly because I've already applied it. And I'm going to pick up an order today. So yeah, I think it's because I already applied it. So for example, if I add a bunch of stuff and it becomes like $75 worth, you'll see that I can actually select that promo code. So actually, let me show you guys here. Let's try to find something really expensive. Okay, we'll say Epsom salt. I love these, by the way. Like, you can have Epsom salt baths, and it helps a lot with like relieving aches and soreness and stuff like that, like a stiff neck or stiff lower back. All right, so let's go to my cart. Oh, and by the way, this is going to be for a not delivery, but like an order pickup. So I order it online and then I schedule a pickup for maybe the next day in the afternoon or morning or evening. And then I have to go drive there, park my car, call a phone number, talk to Walmart, and have one of their staff bring out my products, and they'll put it in the trunk of my car. All right, so let's hit checkout. And then pick up, choose my location. Let's say I'll bring my own reusable bags and boxes. And then I choose a time, so we'll say tomorrow, 8 to 9 a.m. This is just an example. I'm not going to actually wake up that early. Continue shopping. I just want to show you guys where we put the promo code. So hit checkout. And then it's basically trying to suggest other things that I've bought in the past, which is actually kind of helpful because a lot of times we buy the same products, right? Continue to checkout. And here at the top, it says redeem an e-voucher. So you can actually select the e-voucher. There it is. Get $15 off each of your next 2 orders online. For purchases, a minimum of $75 per coupon usage. So that's why I wasn't able to enter the code earlier, but because I've already entered it. But that's where you would want to enter it the first time you're using the code. Otherwise, it won't show up on this page. And that took me like half an hour to figure out, because normally you'd think, okay, I'm going to go through the checkout process, and then it's going to have an area for me to input a code, but it did not. It's almost as if they don't want you to use the code and just place the order or something like that. But yeah, so not the most user-friendly interface. I would recommend that they have it like a normal checkout page where you go to checkout and there's actually a little area to input the code, and then you basically redeem the voucher, right? But then you'd hit place order. I'm not going to do that. But yeah, hope that was helpful. If you guys liked the video, please do like and subscribe for more. All right, cheers guys. Peace.